What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I don't even know what to say right now. Hours, almost a full day ahead of the MC20's release from Maserati. These pictures are floating around on the internet that say that this is the MC20 before its release, and they were from a journalist, a Russian journalist called Andrei Matev, and he's posted it on a website. Someone had DM'd it to me on Instagram, and now here they are. And I'm not exactly sure if this is it, but if it is, holy S word. Yeah, guys, I don't even know if this is a thing to have these pictures before. But yeah, these are pictures of the MC20 before tomorrow's release. I don't know what to do with these, but I had to put them out here for you guys to see. Spoiler alert. And what this Russian journalist said is he said exactly this in quotes: "The coronavirus has suddenly made me a unique person. None of the Russian automotive journalists, due to the quarantine, could get to the premiere of the newest Maserati MC20. At that time, I was in Italy, so I became the only representative from all of our press who saw with my own eyes the long-awaited supercar. It was exciting." Now, he did a whole spread on this, but this is what I'm interested in, the pictures. And this is not the official MC20 pictures, which I believe that these are. I'm at least 90% that these are the pictures of the MC20. Well, then, holy crap. Look at this thing. Holy crap, the doors go up on a Maserati. Look at this thing. I mean, it's to the T of what we've seen in the camouflage shots. And I'm not sure if Andre was able to just release these photos or release this article because it's hours before the event, almost a full 24 hours before the event. I'm not exactly sure if he was supposed to do this, but he did. So it's out there. So I want to be the first to get it out there before you guys saw it, because it's already on Instagram. And it was posted on Instagram about 40 minutes ago as of recording this. So I'm going to do what I do, and I'm going to put this on the channel for you guys to see, because I'm your Maserati representative on YouTube, right? So, I mean, I don't even know where to begin with this. Now, I guess we still have the full reveal tomorrow. I'm shocked because I don't have all the information from Maserati about this to spew out to you guys. So it's not much I can say about it, but from what I see in the pictures, and obviously you guys can see these things too. The interior, the exterior, those wheels, the doors. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Maserati's gonna come after me and cut my head off. But again, I wasn't the first one to get these pictures. It's already been in two people's hands. It's all over the internet now. And I'm just as excited and reaping the benefits like you guys are. So hopefully this video stays up on the internet. We're just gonna kind of go with the pictures here, because again, I don't want to tell you guys much about what I don't officially know. I mean, we already know about the Nettuno engine, and we already know about possibly being two power plants, you know, the gasoline engine and the hybrid engine. And there is a rumored electric engine. I told you guys that in the video earlier today, but did I know I was gonna get a hold of something like this? No. So maybe it's special, maybe it's not, maybe I'm tripping, but this is the Maserati MC20. It has doors that goes up. It has a whole new layout in the interior. The exterior just looks incredible, and I'm excited. Holy crap. So again, this is just a brief video on me showing you these pictures, and then I'm gonna make some sense of it later. So with that said, guys, just drop your comments down below. I don't know what to say. Drop your comments down below on anything that you just saw in this video with these pictures. And we're gonna grasp all of this and then come back tomorrow to talk more about the official MC20 launch. But I'll see you guys down in the comments on this one. As always, like the video, definitely like the video, get this video up in the rankings so more people can see it, and we can have a big discussion on what these MC20 pictures are showing us. And make sure you guys follow the links in the description. Down there I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Venmo, and for my Cash App in case you guys want to donate to the channel, help support your boy. You can also follow the Patreon or Ron's Rise Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, all that good stuff. See what I'm posting. Doesn't always make it here to the channel. And you guys make sure you subscribe, but click that notification bell as soon as you do, because then you get these videos right when they come out. Guys, you won't miss one when you do that. So with that said, you guys be blessed, be safe, have a great day. We'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.